What's up? Mediocre Bros at it again. What do we got going on?
Fixing the air conditioner in the middle of the summer. You gotta love it.
Blower motor
We can go this way.
and capacitor?
Let's take the shortcut since we're mediocre.
Right, okay. Oh yeah, I thought it was over there. Oh,
This is inside unit.
see, I forgot. I thought we were on the outside unit.
No, that's why we're not professionals. Yeah, leave it to the summer. Middle of the summer for my air conditioner to fail twice.
Capacitor on the first one.
DIY kind of guys. We'll fix it. Fix it and figure it out. Come on, dog. Gotta have the kneeling pad when you get old.
Old knees.
Old knees got me here. Come on, doggy.
Portable fan.
Okay, we're set up and ready. Labeler, capacitor, blower motor. Let's do it. Sponsored by Milwaukee.
I always use Milwaukee.
Look at that.
Trusty.
Handy, magnetic. Clamps onto whatever you'd like.
And there's the drill. There's even a Sharpie.
Yep, best tools you could buy right here. Milwaukee, if you see this, send us a sponsor. We'll be happy to use your products.
Milwaukee.
Yeah, jeez. Proud supporter, funding the company myself. Alright. I'm not going to label all these because these are for like the nest and stuff. This is the whole control board. So actually the first thing I can do is
Which way?
I wonder if it'd be worth wiping this thing out. Look at this.
Get it.
It's like oil and shit. It is the... Shouldn't get dirty like this though because of the filter, but who knows.
Maybe before.
It probably actually had problems because it was dirty. But it's also old, I gotta remember that. Begin.
Give me hander off. One hand. And filming.
That's what CrossFit did.
CrossFit has done numbers.
It's gonna be kind of hard because it has to align to these two channels that are in the top.
Let's see these two channels.
Right up here.
Oh yeah, we see those. Yep.
Right.
They're little
It's hard to
grooves.
see on the camera, but yeah, it's got to go in the grooves. Man, that is dirty too.
You want to wipe that top part out or no?
I might as well. This is my only chance. See the coil.
Almost like getting under a vehicle, but not quite.
It's just dusty. It's about 13 years old, 12 years old, something like that. But the cooler fins and everything looks like it's in good shape. It's just a little dusty. It.
Slid into those tabs.
That's part of it.
Right.
I have to install the control board and all that, but that I left as much wired as I could.
We wire. New capacitor. always label prior to taking on a task
Yeah.
when removing stuff. 'Cause
Unless
it's
you're an
gonna-
HVAC tech, they probably are like, you guys are idiots. But hey,
for
just
mediocre
regular
guys,
old guys trying to fix. You know, this is a little tricky because it's like a compression. Gotta find the hole. There it is.
was that 1 or 2 Uggas?
That was 3 Ugga Chuggas. Ugga Duggas. Capacitors in, capacitors tight. This one right here is going to be hard. Well, it's not hard, it's just aligning all the holes is going to be a little bit difficult.
Okay.
A sensor.
Control board.
I should
It's all
probably
mounted.
clean this off a little. I'm not sure what it is.
Looks like a sensor.
Yeah, probably fan speed or I don't know. Honestly, I have no clue.
All right, here we go. The test. Before we put the panel on, we got power, ignition.
Hell yeah, fixed. Quiet too. Definitely working. Woohoo! AC in the summer.
Mediocre things, and we sign off. This project
Complete.
is done.
Project.
Project.
That's
We'll call them projects.
One
from now on.
project for the books, boys. Save a lot of money if you do it yourself.
If you need help, let us know what kind of project you have, and we'll figure it out. Do a video.
Out.